soccer ball. It's soccer ball.
Yeah, it's a soccer ball.
Step 1. Get an empty bottle and fill it up with water. Step 2. Add any dishwashing liquid to your bottle filled with water. Step 3. Add shampoo.
Shake it.
Last but not least, have fun and play with your DIY bubbles.
Wow.